Introducing the Nitro AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT from Sapphire, a powerful graphics card designed for smooth 1440p gaming, with enough performance to reach even 4K. Unboxing, you'll find the RX 7800 XT graphics card, an RGB cable, and a support bracket with its set of mounting screws. The RX 7800 XT is built on RDNA 3 architecture. It comes with 16 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. Can boost up to 2,565 MHz. And for its power needs, Sapphire recommends at least a 700-watt power supply. Cooling is handled by three 120mm fans with an aggressive blade design that complements the card's performance through the built-in BIOS switch. This switch controls both fan speed and GPU performance, offering 3 modes: performance mode for maximum cooling and higher clock speeds, silent mode for quieter operation with reduced performance, and a third setting to customize behavior using Sapphire's Tri-X software. Video outputs include 2 HDMI 2.1 and 2 DisplayPort 2.1, all packed into a triple slot design. The aluminum backplate has a clean, brushed look with cutouts to help airflow. While adding strength, it also gives the card a solid, premium feel. The 7800 XT uses 2 8-pin connectors, and there's also an ARGB input to sync the GPU lighting with the rest of your system.